Guys, so uwi na ako guys. Hello guys. Uwi na ako guys. Uwi na po tayo guys. Dito po tayo dadaan sa tabing dagat guys. Shout out sa mga kaibigan natin dyan guys. Magandang hapon sa inyo. At tayo po ay uuwi na. Galing po tayo sa ating sideline po tayo. Bukit natin tayo ng kahit sa Dalway. Guys, ako yung lalakad tabing dagat. Yan. Alright. The sunset is very beautiful. Yeah, it's a very beautiful. It's the nice place guys. Okay, it's the nice place. Yeah, it's the nice place. Very nice place here in the Philippines. Very fresh air and very fresh water. Alright, just walking in the side of the sea like this. Hello guys, wait up tayo guys, wait up. We'll be back. We'll go now. We'll be back home. Nice yun. Barangay Tagbaya. Barangay Barangay Sihan. Right. Come on. It's a very nice place. Okay. Alright. Wow, it's the nice sunset. Like, you see that? Alright. It's the nice sunset. Is when we go down. Well, we go down. Alright. Okay. Alright. The sunset is very masilap. Ligon. Bayot panggatong. Okay. That's my friend. Ha? Pauli yun? Oo. Yeah, Nong. She is my he is my co-worker. Yeah. He is my friend. Si Kuya. Yeah. Si very mabait. Gentle. You see that? You see? Alright. Wait for time. Toink. Wow. We have a parking here. There's a lot of apartment here. I mean, it's rich house. Alright. Hindi ba lang din Ay. Oo. Sumali sa ano? Si Ag. Oo.